your pistol, we're bang.
All right, Pistol. Hey, we just want to holler at you. Wish you a good Memorial weekend. Sounded good down here, southeast corner, man. You have a great weekend now, and you can hear it on the gate. The gate's rolling.
And a very blessed day. Who that out there with the gate rolling? Who's out there with the gate rolling? 225 Carolina, 20 Oh, all right. Were they for every chance we...
I heard that Carolina station in there. Yeah, the gate's rolling. You can check it out on 351 Radio on YouTube.
Behind the times. Facebook, and I started the title off, now all in the interest of truth and justice. Here's a little reality for you. 127, get out there. Oh, bugger.
Yeah, I don't like that Facebook too much. They do all that politicking and stuff where they don't want you to get in the group or whatever. My stuff ain't selective like that. You just go to my channel and you watch it, you know. Ain't nobody gotta do that politicking stuff there, so we don't do that Facebook. But anyway, have a great Memorial weekend. 351 Radio, Florida said it, back quiet.
Hey, 351, I try to post as many groups as I can, 351. I just... How about that Florida station? Hey, got the 455, 455, North Carolina trying.
Hey, 455, good morning time over there. It's nice there, 455, to get some conditions up down the East Coast this morning. Man, I'm kicked back here listening. I got this gate rolling. You could check it out a little bit later on YouTube when I finally post it up there on 351 Radio. Breaker.
Have no conditions this morning. 351 Radio. One on land in South Carolina, we tried. 351, old chicken man in Carolina. Hey, big old morning time. 351, old chicken man, waving burger.
There you go, chicken man, right back at you, man. You have a great Memorial weekend. Real good copy. You can check it out on the gate a little bit later.
Hey, phone Roger on the gate right there. Hey, we'll check it out. Hey, what do you say the gate was? 351, where you gonna post it?
Well, you go on to YouTube and you punch in 351 Radio, and it ought to pop right up there for you. It'll be a picture of microphones and stuff. Web page got a nice picture on it of a crooked lake out here in the middle of Florida. And there's a whole bunch of videos on there, 1,400 of them. You can check them out.
Hey, Roger, we'll definitely check them out, big brother. I hope you're having a great day. Hey, 351, hey, it's 50 over on the top side of North Carolina, big brother. Just want to try to wave at you, but hey, we'll try to check those gates out in a little while. Hey, top of the day one more time, 351, Chicken Man, North Carolina, big old Memorial weekend wave.
Right there, Chicken Man. Yeah, we're probably going to let it roll there for a decent amount of time there, 15, 20 minutes or so, whatever. And yeah, everybody can just check in. I'm gonna walk away from the radio now, get me some coffee and stuff. So, but I'll be back. And Chicken Man, take care. Have a great Memorial weekend. 351 wave and back wide.
Well, Roger, 351. All right, my brother. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. And go get you that cup of coffee, big brother. 351 73. In Carolina on the mail. Can't hear my little mud gut station. Yours with man come. No copy, no get back. Old 351 in the sand pile. I guess this ground plane up here on Chesapeake Bay ain't got no conditions today. 23, Chesapeake Bay, State of Maryland, working this old ground plane. I'll be standing by. To get back to 312 and he can't hit this little duck station. I read it out there around and 23 Chesapeake Bay. Nowhere near as loud or noisy as it was earlier when I was on your ground plane. How about it? DX land 23. 351 was coming pretty well. He got you're doing a fine job coming up to Virginia there, Brake. They call me Snake Doctor. Snake Doctor around Moccasin Bottom. They can't get out of a freaking mind. And just like that, conditions will be on you. I guess this old ground plane ain't got any on the way. Hello. I guess this ground plane ain't got mercy, sakes alive. Chesapeake Bay, I'm putting this mic back in the rack. Bye-bye-bye. Boy, antenna's living up to his name. Plus a 73. Oh, yeah, you get them conditions in here, you talk on it. Here they come again. This is on low. Audio, hello. That's my barefoot.
I like that short engine like crazy for, probably a good hour and a half now. It's from all over the place, man. So, I guess that's what you call an omnidirectional. They fly right back. Hope all is well there, right?
Might be great shitter and Chloe took off. Oh, yeah. Breaker. Morning. Hello, come in.
How about a stump knocker?
Geo.
We talk on Mother Nature, no doubt.
Well Digger, West Virginia, hello. Roger at 596.
Good morning, Mr. Road Runner. 768 up here in Powhatan, Virginia, waving a hand.
How about it out there, stump knocker? You got a copy on this 252, baby.
Oh, did you?
Yeah?
I bet you didn't know I turned it ping off, did you?
Yeah, I did.
Boomerang all those kind words right back here, my friend. I'm going to just sit back and say.
Sucks, but I can turn it off.
Yeah, leave it on.
Guess my old weak mess around the Carolinas ain't got no conditions.
The antenna's noisy up here.
Hola, come on.
You need any hay?
For west side. Breaker. I got it on.
Oh, Midnight Rider's got it going on.
What's going on out there around Florida? Fat boy, North Carolina, waving. Keep an eye on the L driver back on the mail.
Yes, sir, right on. Been too long, been gone too long, no doubt about it. That number 2 station is definitely working for you. Sound real good, good, clean, crisp, clear audio as usual, man. 276 in the Rocky Hills, number 4 in the